All right, it's time for another end of day PulseWave report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger reports. I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. Now let's take a look at what we got coming up this week. As you know, this is Fed Week or FOMC week. So on Wednesday, 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we got the FOMC, and then I think they're going to do press conferences at 2:30. So just a heads up there. I don't think we're going to have too much market action leading up to that point, but then again, you never know. All right, so looking at the gold chart, as you can see, the bears are still in control, and you see the market did come down pretty heavy today, right around that trend line support initial target. Secondary target will be the top of the Kumo cloud, but then that could bring gold dangerously, threatening to drop below 1800. So just something to keep our eye on moving forward. And likewise, if you take a look at silver, again, the bears are in control of the silver market as well. We just got sideways to slightly lower prices. We've been doing this for several weeks, just dancing around that trend line support area. And the trend line support is right there around the top of the Kumo cloud as well. So either silver at some point is going to break down hard or it's going to rally. We'll see what happens. But for right now, all rallies are being kept at bay in silver. What about crude oil? Well, as you can see here, the bulls still have it. They're still taking over. They're still making this market run. The next target will be 75 if the market can get there. So right now, that's what the oil is doing. All right, take a look at the tech sector. Here's your NASDAQ 100. Again, the bulls have this one too. This one is just not giving up. All right, and here you are into new highs. Got, breaking into that 1400 area, and it is going. If you take a look here at the Dow, you can see the Dow is a little bit different. It's falling apart. It's having a hard time at the 35,000 level. And the bears are in control of this one. And this one right now is giving signals of going even lower. All right, as the bears seem to be adding on. You see that this is the trend line support. Market's already at the top of the Kumo cloud and trying to get to the trend line support. If the support breaks, then the market will fall over the cliff and go deeper into the Kumo cloud. It should be noted the Kumo cloud is very large, around 2,450 points. So that's a very large area of market congestion and consolidation. So we'll see what ultimately becomes of it. Next on the crypto space, this is what this market's looking like. The Bitcoin's just flip-flopping all over the place. Market broke out over the weekend, and now we have a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Looks like the market wants to get back above, get around that 45,000 mark. Remember, I did say that right now it was looking like you're at the crossroads. Either you're going to come down and test or take out the bearish pointer, or the market's going to try to get up toward the overhead trend line resistance, and that's what it looks like it wants to do right now. But the bearish pointer is not necessarily out of the question yet either. We shall see. This is a range. This is a zone. This bar right here. This is your zone. This is your range of consolidation. So we'll see if it can get up toward the trend line resistance, the overhead here, or is it going to still settle back down within here? And it looks like we'll probably just be moving for some time. This is a very large trading range. It ranges from 29,000 on the bottom to 43,000 at the top. All right, that's a wide trading range to be moving at. So just wanted to let you know that I don't think this is going to change anytime soon. It may not change anytime soon, ladies and gentlemen. So that's just something to be mindful of as we're moving forward toward this the situation coming up on Wednesday with the Fed. Anything could happen, and it's likely that that's going to be the case, and that's how the market's going to move. Here's the US dollar index. It got up toward the overhead trend line resistance, so the initial target from the rally alert buy signal back here has now been satisfied. The question is there going to be enough momentum to get it up to hit the secondary target at the bottom of the Kumo cloud? Or the bear is going to come in and sell it back down again? That is the overarching question. So very difficult to say right now what the market will or won't do, but this is what we're looking like, beginning of the week, of the trading week. Like I said, it's Fed week. We got a lot of government reports coming out this week too, with the initial jobless claims. I think PMI. There's so much going on. Reports coming out tomorrow. There's a lot of reports coming out for Tuesday, and then of course the big one is the Fed on Wednesday. So stay alert. That's what the pulse waves are for. All right. Smash that like button. Go to PulseWaveTrading.com if you have not already signed up to receive the PulseWave reports in your hands each and every trading day. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I am out. Peace.